So if you're looking to make money online or start making money on the internet, starting an e-commerce business, there's never been a better time coming into 2024. So a lot of you guys might know me as the Amazon guy, but some of you may not, and this is gonna go for all of the platforms. There's Shopify, there's eBay, there's Amazon, there's Walmart, there's a million different platforms that you could be selling on to make money online. And the thing is, you just have to pick one of them, and these principles kind of go for all of them, and they work the same way for any of these business models. The thing is, whatever business model that you choose, you have to pick whatever you're willing to invest into the business because they all take some bit of money to get started, and they all also take a lot of hard work. So even if one of these business models takes a little bit of money, it's gonna take a lot of time and effort to make it work. Or vice versa, where it might take a good amount of money and still a lot of work to actually make money and start generating these things. So if you're looking to start making money on the internet, I can tell you that it's one of the best opportunities that's around because you can get started with just having a laptop and start generating income on the internet for virtually no barrier to entry. And you don't need any of the traditional things that a business normally needs, like $150,000 or $200,000 of investment and a 3 to 5 year payoff and 12 plus hours of work to make it work. These e-commerce businesses can be spooled up. And the thing that you have to invest really is your time and energy. Whatever model you choose, you need to pick one of them and stick to it for at least 6 to 12 months. And I'm saying that to be generous because realistically, it could take you years before they actually work, but eventually it will pay off. And it'll allow you to go anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world and still have your business run and make you money as long as you're building systems along the way and you kind of become relentless. I started out on Shopify where we started selling dropship products from China on little websites. We were selling like these little lemon squeezers, and then we sold these like swimsuits. And if you guys remember back in like 2016, there was like that viral post where the girl was in a swimsuit and it was like, repost this to get a free swimsuit. And it was really just a free plus shipping ad. It went crazy. We tried to replicate that, but we were too late. This was when fidget spinners were huge and things like that. We started back then when those were big things going on in the e-commerce industry, and I was introduced to the topic, and the thing that I was missing wasn't anything that I thought it was. It wasn't my ads, it wasn't my creatives, it probably wasn't even the product. It was just like the relentless aspect that I was going to make it work no matter what. Now, this is probably like 8 years ago at this point, back in junior or sophomore year of high school, where people were all over the internet talking about how they were making money on the internet. They were young guys. Oh my God. Oh, yes.
You got him?
Yes.
Let's go.
Got the fly.
Thank you. Thank you.
So anyway, back 8 years ago, there was a ton of kids making a ton of money, and I was 16, 15 years old myself wanting to get into the same thing. And like I said, it wasn't any of the nitty-gritty things that was making me not be successful. It wasn't my ads, wasn't the product, it wasn't anything. It was literally just the fact that I thought that I was gonna plop in a website, draw it up, that it kind of sucked, and toss up one influencer post and then make Lamborghini money.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
And that's the thing. You can't be motivated by all these materialistic things because that's when you're going to give up the minute it doesn't work. You have to commit to one of these business models and keep going at it until it works because you know they do. It's all over the internet of people making money, but you don't want to be motivated by all these stupid things that are not really important. And the fact of the matter is you want to actually be building something for the freedom, for the ability to be your own boss and things like that. Yeah, the money is great, and yeah, the fact that you could scale some of these businesses to 10, 20, 30 million dollars and then sell them is awesome. But like, let's start on ground one. So if you're somebody that's been looking at the idea of making money on the internet or making money doing something different than just trading your time for money, just like in any normal job, then you really need to commit to one of these business models to make it work for the long term. If you don't decide to do that, you're never gonna have success. And that's why Amazon actually worked for me a couple years later after Shopify didn't, because when I started, I thought that I had the missing piece in a business model that I didn't have to advertise, but that was just like the little click that I needed to be able to actually push through and just not give up. And then once you get your first couple of sales and get it going, you will or should get hooked and then continue with the business no matter what. And you have to be willing to deal with the roadblocks that are gonna pop up. For any of these models, things are gonna happen. For Amazon, shipments are gonna get lost or prices are gonna tank. For Shopify, your ads might get shut down. You know, for eBay, I don't really know what the problems for eBay might be, but everything is gonna happen. And after we've done this for so long, and it's literally been 8+ years in e-commerce at this point, I've realized that there's multiple different roadblocks that are constantly going to pop up, and you need to determine that no matter what pops up, you're going to be successful. And don't change models all the time. Go through a video. This isn't a pros and cons between the models. We'll make another video like that because we've literally done all of the popular ones at this point. But go through the different models, pick one that works best for you or based off of what you're interested in, and then commit to it for at least 6 to 12 months, if not 18 to 24 months. And don't stop until you actually start to make money with it, because it is possible and you will have to come up with different things to be creative and make money along the way. But if you can do that, you will see success as time goes on. Don't go changing models all the time. Pick one, stick to it, and go after it. That's the key to actually starting a successful e-commerce business in 2024. So I hope you guys enjoyed this different style of video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below if you like the different types of videos that we can be creating to kind of broaden and change it up just from the Amazon content. So that's it for this video. Thank you for your business, and we'll see you again soon.